To set cursor size in the assistant menu to medium in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu and then tap touchpad and cursor control. Tap cursor size and then select medium. To see the result, tap the assistant menu button and then select cursor. You can see that the cursor that you can use to select items on the screen is displayed in a medium size. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.